Hello guys, we're back again. This is Jay Ziminos. We're back again with another bang, with another. Today we are rating security companies in Zimbabwe. So we are ranking these security companies judging from branding, inenge logo, personal appearance, uniform yao manakira yakaita, vehicles, nema technological security, which is my CCTV neamwe ma technologies, ne dog security kuti imbwa dzavanoshandisa dziri vicious zvakaita sei. Let's get into the video. We are looking at Fawcett Security. So in terms of branding, tatimbotai sei iri ndo logo ravo iri. Let's look at it. For me, I think it's a good logo. Fawcett. Think security, think Fawcett. There's a lock. What is it? A key wrap or accessory polish. I think, yeah, that's... Personally, the logo is good. I'll give it a 3 out of 10. To personal appearance, yeah, my Fawcett Security. My uniform now. My uniform are right. When I worked on my soldier. But the uniform is good though. Overall, I like the uniform. The fact that it engaged on Gamer Soldier. I'll give it a 3 out of 5. My vehicles. They've got my Isuzu. Saka my vehicles, yeah, they've got my Isuzu. Zvikuoneka kuti my Isuzu ndo anowanzoshandisa straight. Ne ichi chekutakurisa marikation transit. So overall, we are going to give it a 2 out of ma technological security. Inzwa munzwe maZimbabwe apa zviri kungonzi ma CCTV, ma camera, ma digital, ma wireless chakuti hainina ndingamboreta zvinandizvinzvise, but hapana company ingashayewo izvozvo. So overall I'll give it a 5. Lastly, we move on to dog security. Hapa hapana zvatingamboreta. Every security has got a dog security. I know provider. Saka overall we are going to give it a 5 out of 5. Kapa edition, this is Ndeipi overall Fawcett yaiwana 18 points. Fawcett Security. Hapa branding, I'll give it a solid 2. It doesn't have anything that has to do with security. Then uniform yao yakanaka yo. Make out dark blue ayo yakanaka. I'll give it a 3. Kumotokari ma vehicles icho chakanaka chiri background. Topo a 4 out of 5. Then technological security hapana company inoshai, so it's a 5 out of 5. Then dog security, it's the same, 5 out of 5. No company doesn't have dog security. So overall, Volsec Security has 19 points, currently beating Fawcett Security in 18 points. Like and subscribe kuti tione kuti safeguard ni guard alert Ndeipi chawina the same challenge.